Hello. We're back. Welcome back, Carrie. Okay, now this time we're going to continue the second part of our lesson. No, not the second part of our lesson. Second part of our class. So, we are done with our first part, so let's go to our review. We're going to do the review again. I think this is what you like, Harry. Wait for a while. Where did we stop yesterday? Okay. So, for this review, Harry, you should get 30 over 30. Okay? For your score, you should get 30 over 30. Ah, uh, so for now, you've got 0. Okay? You don't have any scores yet. Okay, so let's have our first activity. Let's match the numbers. Okay, you can start now. Go go go, Harry. Okay, number 1.
May I borrow your pen?
Okay. The answers are all the same. Uh look. Who's holding a pen? You find it. Who's holding a pen? Oh, very good. Next, number 2. What's that? A zigzag? And number 3. Okay, let's read it also. Okay, number 1, Harry, what is that?
May I borrow your pen? Sure. Here you
Here you
are.
are. Oh. Number 2.
May I borrow your ruler? Sure. Here you are.
Okay, and number 3.
May I borrow your book? Sure. Here you are.
Okay, so you use this phrase, Harry, when you are at school. Okay, when you're at the school and then you want to borrow some things with your classmate or your friend. How are you going to borrow? Like for example, you forgot your pencil at home. You don't have pencil at school. How are you going to borrow to your friend? How are you going to say it?
May I borrow your pen?
Okay, very good. Or regardless, you want to borrow rulers, books, pencil. Uh, you should use this phrase, okay? May I borrow your ruler? May I borrow your book? Uh, and then if they let you borrow it, you should always say thank you. Okay? Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Uh, don't forget. And if they also want to borrow from you, okay, so it's up to you if you're going to let them borrow your things. Okay, so what is your score here? You've got 3 over 3.
Hmm.
It's okay. We still have many activities. We're going to do more activities. We're going to put 3 here. Look. 3 over 30 now. Okay. Now in this no, you have a lot of chance. Okay. You can still do the rest. Okay, here, Harry, you're going to unscramble. Unscramble. Ay, it's gone. You're going to unscramble the words. Number 1, arrange the words and arrange the sentence. Do you know what to do now? Number 1, do you want me to answer number 1 first?
Yes.
Okay, look at number 1. Oh, you cannot read this, right? You're going to arrange the word. I think that excuse. Excuse. Ay, that's so big. Excuse. And what do you think is the next word, Harry? What do you think is this?
Me.
Yes, me. That's right. You're going to say, excuse me. You know what to do now?
Yes.
Okay. You can answer number. I know this one. This one. Okay. You can start, Harry. You can tell me. You can tell me, and then I'll write it for you. Teacher will write it. Okay. Let's start with this one. What is that? It's hard.
Uh,
Okay. What is that?
me.
May. Next.
I
I
borrow
borrow.
your pen.
Oh, very good. Oh, that's a question mark. How are you going to read it? Again? May.
I borrow your pen.
Okay, very good. That's a question mark, huh? That's a question. That's correct, Harry. Good job. Number two. Let's see, number two. What is number two? What is this? Okay, okay. What will you say if someone wants to borrow something from you? May I borrow your pen? What will you say?
Sure.
Oh, very good. And
You.
no? Sure. Na na na. What's that? Here.
Here.
Uh,
Here you are.
okay, very good. There you go. Sure. Here you are. Uh, number three, last. Oh, what will you say if she let you borrow her pen? What? What is that? What will you say? Oh, if you want to borrow from your friends and then your friend, okay, here you are. What will you say?
Thank you.
Thank you or
Thanks.
thanks. Good job. Clap your hand. Okay, very good, Harry. Okay, for this activity, you've got one, two, and three. Oh, you've got three because teacher answered this one, so it's not included. Harry, what is three plus three? It's okay. We still have a lot of activities. You can still do more. Three plus three. Okay, six. Let's make it six now. Good job. Are you not happy with your score?
Oh,
It's okay. Oh, we still have this one. We cannot do that. Okay, here. Let's do another activity to make your score higher. Okay, activity letter A. Do you remember this one? Places. Okay, you're going to put numbers. You can see numbers here, right? Numbers. You're going to put it here. Let's see if what place is that. Okay? Ready? Okay. Let's start with this picture. What is that? Or where is that? Where do you think is that?
home.
Huh?
Home.
No?
Restaurant.
Yes. You put number one at the restaurant. One. That's correct. Good job. Next, number two.
Home.
Yes, home. You put number two to home. Okay, number three.
School.
School. That's correct. Oh, very good. And number 4,
Hospital.
hospital. Oh. In this activity, you've got 4/4. Oh, 6 plus 4, Harry. Because 10. Oh, you finally have 10 points. We're almost there. Wait. We're almost there, Harry. Okay, let's go to activity letter B. You're going to circle. Sorry. Why? We have it. We have to make. Can you see? Can you still read the sentence? You can still see it.
Yes.
Okay. Number 1, you're going to circle. What's the best sentence in this? I know. I'll read the question. Like, for example, number 1, Harry, where's the student? You circle. Is she's at school or he's at home?
He's at school.
Okay, circle. She's at school. Okay, very good. Number 2, where's the police officer? You say the answer.
He's at the restaurant.
Okay, very good. Now circle that sentence. Okay. Number 3, where's the soccer player?
He's at the hospital.
Okay, that's correct. Circle that sentence. Okay, next. Where's the cook?
Bố nướng vàng.
Cook. Cook. Oh, where's the
He,
cook?
he's at the restaurant.
No, she isn't. Ah. Okay, one more. Where's the cook?
He's at home.
He's just at home. He's cooking. But he's a cook. But he's not at the restaurant right now. He's
Movie.
just at home. I don't know. I know. Okay, so your score here, Harry, is 4. 4/4. I think it's 3 only, not 4. You've got 3/4.
Hmm.
Okay, you've got 4. What is 10 plus 4? 14. Okay, you've got 14 already. We're almost there. We're almost there. Okay, let's go to our letter C. What is this? Letter C, find and write. We're going to... Oh, it's so small. Can you still see it, Harry?
Yes.
Okay, you can see it. Okay, number 1, like for example, number 1, you can see a student, right? So you draw it here to up to here, and then the question will be, where's the student? And then you're going to say, he's at home. Got it?
Got it.
Number 2, you
He's
you draw a line for number 2. I'll remove this so we can see your answer. Okay, very good. Now let's complete the sentence, Harry. What will be the sentence?
where the teacher.
Ah, number 2.
Where's the cook? She's at restaurant.
Okay, very good. Wait, it's so big. Okay, where's the cook? She's at the restaurant. Very good. Is she at the restaurant? Okay. Next, number 3.
Where's the teacher? He's at the school.
Okay, where's the teacher? What is your answer? She's. What is your answer? Where's the teacher? Ay, where's the teacher? Teacher again. She's at. Hello. Are you there? Again, Harry. Where's the teacher?
He's at school.
Yeah, she's at school. Okay, next, number 4. Last number.
Where's the doctor? She's at doctor. Hospital.
She's at the.
Hospital.
Okay, one more time. Where's the doctor?
She's at the hospital.
Okay, very good. She's at the hospital. Okay, good job. Okay, let's rate your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is 14 plus 5? Is 14 plus 5? It's. What is 14 plus 5? Ari. 19. Oh, you're almost there. Oh, we have 11 more scores to go. Okay, next we're going to review. We're at the review again. Oh. Okay. No, I have to make it like this. Why is it so small? Oh, can we make it bigger? I have the zoom, but then if I do that, ah, okay, let's just do this. Oh. Okay, so you're going to choose your answer, Harry, inside the box. And I will write your answer. You can tell me. Okay, like for example, number 1. What is number 1? Can you read?
He's a student. He's at school.
And?
He can smell pizza.
Okay, that's for number 1. Wait for a while. What about number 2? Number 2. Number 2. Uh,
He's a cook.
oh, very good.
He's a restaurant. Is he can
Is he?
smell
No, no, no. Wait, wait, wait. I'm confused. He's a cook. He's at the restaurant. Is he? Is he? Is he? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. No, no, no. Feelings, Harry. What are the feelings? We have cold, happy, hot, sad. Look at the cook. Is he? Oh, very good. Oh, what is that? Can you read?
hot? Yes, he is.
Okay, very good. Oh, good job. Number 3. Shh. What is number 3?
He's
She's.
a teacher.
Yes. And then,
He's at school.
okay.
He can fish.
She can. She can.
Fish.
No.
He can
What can we do with our ears? We can.
Hear.
Oh,
Hear.
very good. Okay, well, again, she can
She can hear.
the.
She can hear the bus.
Oh, very good. She can hear the bus. Okay, wait, let's crush the words. Teacher, done. Cook, here. Bus, hot. And restaurant. Ah, got it. Okay, one more time, Harry. Can you read number 3 again? One more time.
She's a teacher. She's a she's a school. She can hear the bus.
Okay, very good. Oh, good job. Wait for a while. Let me save this one, Okay, next, number 4. I have to I have to erase them all. Wait for a while. Let's answer. We're already in number 4, Okay, number 4. Wait, teacher, cook, hair, bus, school, hot, restaurant. Okay, number 4. What is number 4?
She's a nurse.
No.
She's a doctor.
Yes, very good.
She's can
Where is she?
She's a hospital.
At the.
Hospital.
Okay, one more. Where is she?
She's at the hospital.
And then
Is she
doctor, hospital. What's the last word?
is she sick? No, she isn't.
Okay, very good. You perfected. Good job. Now let me give you a score here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is 19 plus 10? 19 plus 29. Oh, one more score to go. Just one more, Harry, and then you will get a perfect score. Or maybe more than perfect. Let's do the last activity. This one. Maybe we can still do this so that you can have 30 over 30. What's this? You just complete the words. Because there are missing letters, you can choose here. Ready?
Okay.
Okay, let's start. Number 1 is already letter K. Number 2. What is number 2?
Jog.
What do you call that?
Jog.
Jog. Very good. So letter, what's missing?
Shell.
Okay, okay.
Box.
You're so fast. Okay, number 3 is box, jog. 4 is number 4.
Cave.
Cave. Oh, very good. 5.
Hose.
What is number 5? Oh, that's
Hose.
hose. Yeah, hose. And last, number
Girl.
6. So easy. Number 6 is
Girl.
so easy.
Girl.
Good job. Let's count your score now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is 29 plus 5? You count it like this. 20, 29. Huh? 34. Good job. Clap your hands, Harry. Let's dance. Apata, apata. Aha. Okay, very good. You've got 34. But we still have 4 minutes left. Maybe you can make your score higher. Because we still have 4 minutes left, we can still do one more activity. Okay? Okay, one more activity. Let's finish this one. Activity letter B, Harry, write the missing word. Let's do the last activity, ha? Till you will got 34 and above. Okay. Number 1, complete the sentence, Harry. Choose your answer inside the box. Okay, look at number 1. What is that?
Hippos.
You complete the sentence. I
can see hippos.
hippos, not only one, but more than one, right? Okay, I can see hippos. Good job. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. Okay, good job. Number 2.
The cat. Why
No,
does
it's not a cat. A baby cat.
kitten
A kitten. Okay, the kitten
is on the game?
Okay, is on the game, on top of the game board. Okay, that's correct. Number 3.
The
What do
cup.
you? Oh, very good. The cob is on the. Oh, there's one more word, Harry. The cob is on the jam. Okay. Where number 1 is number 1 there's one word is missing. Number 1, I can see how many hippos do you see?
6.
Okay, can you read number 1 again?
I can see 6 hippos.
Very good. Oh, good job. Let's count your scores again. This will be 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is 34 plus 6? 40. Good job. Let's dance, Harry. Let's dance. Okay, we still have 1 minute left, Harry. Good job. Clap your hands. Hooray! You've got 40 over 30. You passed the highest score. What is that? Apata. Dance. Apata, pata, apata, pata. Wait for me. Hi. Do you know this? Game.
Game start.
Playing piano.
Kissy face, said to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what
Can you hear the
I'm on,
song?
yeah. Come give me something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Okay. So I think that's it for this afternoon, Harry. Good job. Clap for your hands. Give me a high 10. High 10. You can call Simon. Bye-bye. Thank you, Harry. Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you.